Did you know the US government once saw a prayer circle as a military threat and responded with a massacre? In 1889, a Paiute man named Wovoka had a vision. If his people performed the ghost dance, a circular ceremony lasting days, the earth would heal, the buffalo would return, the dead would rise. The dance spread across reservations faster than anything had in years. Not because it was violent, because it was the only hope left. But US military officials watched and saw something different. They saw an uprising. Troops were dispatched. Tensions rose. And on December 29, 1890, soldiers surrounded a Lakota encampment at Wounded Knee Creek in South Dakota. Someone fired a shot. Then the soldiers opened up with everything they had. Between 250 and 300 Lakota people died that day, many of them women and children. 20 soldiers received the Medal of Honor. The ghost dance was never a weapon. It was a funeral song dressed up as a miracle. The government just needed it to be something they could shoot at.